If you're someone who uses Telegram for chatting with friends, managing work groups, or following news channels, you might have noticed how quickly your chat list can turn into a digital jungle. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create folders in Telegram and organize your chats for maximum clarity and calm. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a structured layout that saves you time, helps you focus, and makes Telegram feel much more manageable. Let's jump right in, starting with how to create folders on the Telegram desktop app. So once you're on your computer, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, open your Telegram desktop application. Look for the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the window. It kind of looks like a little hamburger. Go ahead and click that. From this menu, choose Settings. You'll see a bunch of options pop up, but you're looking for Folders. It's a powerful tool that Telegram tucked away right here so you can take control of your chat list. Now click on Create New Folder. This is the moment you start building your customized Telegram structure. Give your folder a meaningful name, maybe Family, Work, News Sources, or Unread. Try picking something you'll instantly recognize. It's sort of like labeling drawers in a filing cabinet. After naming your folder, you need to decide which chats to add. Hit the Add Chats button and a list of all your conversations, groups, and channels will appear. Select those that belong in this category. Take your time here. You can always add or remove chats later, so don't stress about making it perfect right away. Once you're happy with your selections, click Create to finalize. Congratulations, your first folder is ready. Now let's talk about organizing your chats so Telegram really works for you. Folders aren't just static lists. You can pin up to 10 important chats at the top of each one. For example, keeping your project group or favorite news channel always within easy reach. On mobile, just long press a chat within a folder and tap Pin. On desktop, simply right-click a chat and choose Pin Chat. Think of this like keeping the most important papers on top of your desk. No need to hunt for them. You can also reorder your folders to match your priorities. On mobile, head to Settings, then Chat Folders. You'll see a grab handle, 3 horizontal lines next to every folder name. Just tap and hold, then drag the folder up or down. On desktop, it's even easier. Go back to Settings, hit Folders, and click and drag the folder names to swap their order. This way, folders you check most often can always sit at the top. Something really clever, Telegram lets you automatically include or exclude types of chats with simple rules. Editing a folder reveals options like contacts, non-contacts, groups, channels, bots, unread, or archived. For example, you might create a folder called Unread and set it to pull in every message you haven't viewed yet, no matter where it's from. Super handy if you're always juggling lots of chats. You can also exclude a particular group from your main folder if you don't want its notifications mixing in. And when the time comes to tidy up or reorganize, removing chats from a folder is straightforward. Mobile or desktop, just go back into your folder settings, tap Add Chats, and deselect the ones you want to take out. Maybe your project wrapped up and you don't need that group front and center anymore. With a couple of clicks, it's gone from the folder but not from your chat list. So that's it. With folders, pinning, reordering, and smart automations, your Telegram chats can go from overwhelming to organized in a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It makes a big difference for the channel. Drop any questions or your favorite organizing tips in the comments, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.